Take on the power, chasing the glow. aLight Ultra, a visual shows. Shift the mode, feel the beam, never looking back. We're the lords of the asphalt, lighting up the track. For velocity, it's all we need. Breaking every rule, high speed, high stakes, plain and cool. Feel the motor surge, hear the tires scream. Living out the rush of a tank that's gang. Every move is a play. We're the icons of the road, leading the way. Digital distortion in the network of the brain. I'm a glitch in the system, I'm the ghost in the lane. Sparks on the monitor, the signals getting thin. But the rhythm of the beat, they're gonna win. Repeat the beat, repeat the aim. The loop is never ending. Every message that I'm sending is a reality bending. Fast talk, fast walk, clocking every millisecond. This is more than just a feeling, it's a digital beckon. Synthesizer screaming while the data starts to bleed. I got a hunger for the hurts, I got a digital need. Overload the processor, the cooling fan is dying, while the lyrical trajectory is constantly flying. Bit crush, soul crush, moving through the binary. Every single in the chamber, echo in the code. We're the heavy metal hackers on the radiant road. Frequency modulation, oscillating in the dark. Every word I'm spitting is a high voltage spark. Feedback loop.